Meaning of flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel. A flying squirrel is a type of rodent that has a unique gliding ability. These small creatures are found in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Flying squirrels have a special membrane that extends from their wrists to their ankles, allowing them to glide through the air for distances of up to 90 meters. They are nocturnal animals and feed mainly on nuts, fruits, and insects. Despite their name, flying squirrels do not actually fly, but rather glide from tree to tree using the unique membranes on their bodies.